Hello friends and family, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Leanna. I'm Leanna. Leanna's had a very long day. We had to go to Bangor and get some stuff for the chickens and the rabbits and us. And
a neighbor or a friend.
Yeah, we picked up some groceries for a friend and delivered them. And we got a long evening tonight getting ready for someone's coming to give us an estimate on installing a shower, removing our tub and putting in a walk-in shower, which I've been dying to have for years, because neither one of us likes to take a bath. It's not my thing. It's just gross to me, but some people enjoy it. We don't. So I'm really super excited. And Jim's going to remodel the whole bathroom, so Leanna's excited. So excited, I'm going to make spaghetti. So I'm going to dive right in, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so I am going to first add about a pound of Italian sausage, which I've chopped up into just little, they look like little meatballs. So I'm just going to brown those for a little bit. I'm not going to cook them through. I'm just going to brown them for a little bit. Okay, so those are nice and brown. I'm going to add about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to use my tool that I love and chop it all up. And I'm going to cook that until it's brown. I just love this little tool. It's like, where have you been all my life? Okay, so this is almost brown, but not quite. And I'm going to throw in onions and bell peppers all diced up. It's one big bell pepper and one huge white onion. You can put as little or as much as you want. You can do whatever. And I'm going to add a bunch of garlic. Minced garlic. That's probably 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to throw in some fresh mushrooms, diced. And I'm just going to let this cook for a very few minutes, not, just till the veggies get a little cooked, because they're going to be cooking for quite a while in the sauce. But I like to just get them, give them a head start. I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes. Okay, so this is cooked good enough for me, and I drained all the grease out of it. And now I'm going to add a quart of tomato sauce, which we canned ourselves. I love having that on hand. And a quart of tomatoes that we juice and all. I'm going to give that a stir. Then I'm going to add some oregano. just dump it in, but I don't know, 2 teaspoons, maybe, and a little bit. And red pepper, just a little bit, because if I were you, I would put a lot, but since, you know, Jim, yeah.
She didn't tell you those were spicy sausages that went in there too.
Oh yes, they're the Italian spicy sausages. He lives through it, and he loves it. So
See, I drink a lot of milk after.
Alright, I'm going to chop up, and this is not something I normally do. I usually put maybe a teaspoon of basil in, but my mother-in-law gave me a basil plant. So I'm going to put fresh basil in my spaghetti sauce, and it smells heavenly. I'm super excited about this. I have no idea how much I put. Maybe a dozen leaves. I didn't count them. I should have, I guess. But anyway, you get the gist of it.
Your kitchen, do it your way.
Yeah, it's my kitchen, and I'll do it my way, and you can do it your way. And I'm going to put in 2 little cans of tomato paste. They're the 6-ounce cans, 2 of them, just to thicken it up. Now this particular amount makes a lot of spaghetti sauce, but I'm into, because I have health issues and I'm tired a lot, and especially at nighttime when it comes time to cook dinner, so I try to cook meals that, you know, we can eat for a few nights, if we choose. And a lot of times we get sick of it before it's gone, so I just throw it in a freezer bag and stick it in the freezer. And it makes for an easy next round of spaghetti. You just got to cook the noodles and heat up the sauce. But because we can get, probably 4 or 5 meals out of this with the 2 of us. Huh? More than that? I don't know. I know I get sick of it after a few nights, and I love spaghetti. I love pasta, unfortunately.
Tanya loves this, and she's been bugging her mom to make this.
Hi, Tanya. I did it. I love you, sweetie.
We have a good friend from New York. I haven't heard.
Ben,
I haven't heard from Ben. I don't know if he's following this channel or not, but anyways, him and his boys had visited us quite a few years ago. And every time we talk, I'm going to come up and Leanna's got to make her spaghetti.
Yeah.
He loves her sauce. So, Ben, if you're watching, love you, brother. God bless you. Come on up.
And that's it. Now I'm going to cook it for, you can cook it for, the longer you cook it, the better it tastes. Well, I don't know. You can cook it anywhere from 2 or 3 hours to 6 hours. I typically like to start it right after lunch, like 12:30, 1 o'clock, and cook it for 4 or 5 hours. And I don't know. Wow. Anybody want to dance? So that's it. I'm going to let it simmer. And then we'll bring you back to show you the finished product. we are back. And I've got it all plated up. And there you go. There's my famous spaghetti sauce. And I made garlic bread to go with it, because you can't have spaghetti without garlic bread. Now, to show our appreciation, we want to invite you to participate in a drawing for a $25 Amazon gift card. To get into this drawing, you need to be a subscriber of this channel. You need to smash that like button and name the tune that played during this video. Get us to 700 subscribers by the cutoff date of May 5th, 2021 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, and we'll draw 2 names instead of 1. The drawing's going to be on Wednesday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. And good luck, and thanks again for watching.
And it might even be alive. I'm not sure yet. Possibly. So again, thank you so much, everyone. So much. I mean, we wouldn't be there if it wasn't for you.
That's
It
right.
takes all of you. It takes us watching your videos too. And I do the best I can. And I know Leanna's been going to quite a few of the channels too. So awesome. Love you guys. God bless you.
Love you. Bye-bye.